This is going to be a introduction to project management. We're going to go through the slides here, and the goal is that I want to be able to teach you from start to finish, but then also demonstrate how our systems work within our organization. So the definition of a project management can be defined as the starting, organizing, implementing, regulating, and finalizing the work of a team to accomplish particular objectives, fulfillment, predetermined success standards while balance the project's triangle time, cost, and scope. So, as a project manager, it's important that you are able to assess based on how everything is based on the time of when the project needs to be completed to the schedule. Ultimately, the cost is what the budget or what we call the burn down. So, how much is given for the project, and then burn down chart based on whatever the project from start to finish. And then, of course, the quality. Ultimately, what you would do as a project manager is to be able to control all those, work with the team, the developers, and making sure that they stay on track. The importance of project management helps define goals and objectives. Effective project management results in timely completion of a project. Project managers enable better communication and coordination among team members. And so, you as a project manager, your goal is to work with the team developers and ensuring that they stay on track, whether it's a daily sync or a weekly sync. So, for us right now, we're going to try to get our weekly syncs with our developers so that way we can make sure we are on time and on schedule. Project management life cycles. The project management life cycle includes initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, control, and closing phases. Learn the key activities for each phase. And so in our Google Drive, every project is going to have each separate folder. So with the initiating, you have certain documents that are going to need to be included, which is going to be the project charter, the team charter. There's a lot of things that go between the initiating and planning. And that's where you, as a project manager coming into our organization, we want to make sure you have all the documents. And what we're going to create is a template based project, which we have right now is the Tasker app, which is our training environment. That way you can understand what documents are going to be required and how to break down those tasks. Next up, project management tools. So a Gantt chart is a great way to illustrate project timelines. Kanban board helps visualize workflow and track progress. And project management software tools like Trello can help your team stay organized. So we are going to be using smart sheets, and that's going to be something that I'll have to train you guys on and how we structure smart sheets to make sure that we keep the developers on par. Project planning is essential to ensure successful outcome. Define the project scope, create a work breakdown structure, or in this instance, a sprint breakdown, and assign tasks to teams. So in the Agile framework, we have epics. Epics are the overall objective, what we're trying to accomplish. And then you break it down to user stories, tasks, and then subtasks. So thank you for taking the first steps towards mastering project management. But this is your initial training, as I mentioned, as you come into the organization. So hopefully you'll be able to learn as we grow as a team and take on additional projects.